Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Aisyah Gita. I'm from class management 24D NPM 244111009. Introduction to consumer and producer surplus. In this presentation, we will explore the components of consumer and producer surplus, fundamental aspects of microeconomics. Understanding this concept allow us to analyze market efficiency and welfare implication. We will discuss definition, graphical repression, factors affecting this surplus, and their significant market interaction. Join us as we delve into the world of economic surplus. What is consumer surplus? Defining and understanding consumer surplus. Definition of consumer surplus. Consumer surplus is the difference between what consumers are willing to pay for a good and what they actually pay. For example, if a consumer is willing to pay 10 for a product but buy it for 7, their consumer surplus is 3. This surplus reflects the benefit obtained from the process. Graphical representation. Graphically, consumer surplus is represented by the area above the price line and below the demand curve. This area illustrates the maximum price consumers are willing to pay compared to the market price, providing visual insight into consumer benefit. Information of consumer surplus. Consumer surplus is crucial for measuring consumer welfare in the market. A higher consumer surplus indicates that consumers gain more benefit from their purchase, promoting higher satisfaction. It is also assessed by economists to assess the acquisition of the different market scenarios and policy in impacts. Real world implication. Understanding consumer surplus helps business optimize pricing strategies to sales. For instance, when a company drops a price from 11 to 9, more consumers experience surplus, boosting overall sales and customer satisfaction. Factor influence consumer surplus. Key elements affecting consumer surplus levels. Price changes in market price directly influence consumer surplus and decrease in price and has consumer surplus. As more consumer can afford the product. For example, if the price of a product falling from 20 to 5, consumer surplus increase significantly as more people can purchase the item. Consumer preference shift in consumer preference can also affect consumer surplus. If a new trend emerges, consumers might be willing to pay more, which interest the surplus. Intelligent consumer preference is essential for business to adapt their offering and pricing strategies. Income level. Change in income level impact consumer purchasing power. When consumer incomes rise, the willingness to pay also increase, usually leading to a higher consumer surplus in a favorable market context. For Instead, if the average income rises, consumers might be willing to pay a premium for Christian goods. Market equilibrium and surplus interaction, exploring how surplus relates to market equilibrium. Equilibrium price. Market equilibrium occurs when quantity demanded equals quantity supplied at a specified price. At this point, consumer and products surplus are mentioned. Understanding this balance is crucial for efficient market function. For instance, if the equilibrium price is set but surplus can be automatically determined. Efficiency of resources. Maximizing surplus allocation efficient resource allocation. When surplus are high, it suggests that resources are used equitably with both consumers and production benefiting optimally. Economic policies aim to maintain or increase total surplus in markets. Shift in demand and supply. Shift in demand or supply curves impair market equilibrium, thus affecting surplus. If demand increases while supply remains constant, price will rise and hacking produce surplus and recording consumer surplus. Conversely, a decrease in supply can lead to a price will rise and produce surplus and recording consumer surplus. Conversely, a decrease in supply can lead to